Title: Goddess, celebrating the divine feminine. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word goddess. A goddess is a female deity or a divine, often symbolizing virtues like love, fertility, wisdom, and strength. It's a term that signifies the reverence of the divine feminine. Pronunciation: pronouncing goddess is simple, ggadises, with a soft G and a short O. Use in a sentence. For example, Greek mythology, Aphrodite is celebrated as the goddess of love and beauty. Importance: goddesses play a significant role in various cultures and belief systems, representing the power and qualities of the feminine in the spiritual realm. Conclusion: in summary, goddess is a word that celebrates the divine qualities and virtues associated with the feminine. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, honor the presence of goddesses in mythology and culture as symbols of strength, wisdom, and grace.